Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TransferWise, and more specifically, we are going to talk about the fees and what are the fees that TransferWise charges when you are using the app or sending money internationally. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I'm going to open up the app. It's this blue one right here with the blue flag. If you don't have the app already, be sure to check the description below. I'll put my referral link there. When you use that link, you get a bonus or a discount when sending the money, and I also get a small bonus as well. Or you can easily go to the App Store or Google Play and just download it. Just look for TransferWise. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the inside of it. And as far as the fees go, one thing you want to realize is that this is some sort of a banking institution, TransferWise. So because of that, and it's an international company, the fees can change from time to time. And also the transfer amount, percentages, all these things can change depending on the marketplace, what type of regulatory actions have been taken against them, all sorts of different things. So be aware that if you are ever curious about the fees, you want to be sure to go into the app directly and look for that information, because that is going to be the most recent information since it's their company and they update their website often. So how do you find that information? Well, there's a couple of different ways. The first way you can do that is by clicking on the account button, which is this one right down here at the bottom, and then it's going to pull up this account screen. Now on this screen, there is a view our facts or FAQs. We'll go ahead and click there. All right, so here we are in the FAQs for TransferWise, and in here you can find the article that explains the fees that are associated with having an account with TransferWise, and it's pretty easy to find. All you do is just scroll down a little bit. All right, so as you can see, we just scrolled just a little bit down, and there's an article that's listed borderless account pricing. If you can't find it, just type this borderless account pricing into the search bar right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the article now. Okay, so on this article right now, you can see that they list off the different types of various fees that can be associated with this account. So to open an account, there's no sign-up fee, there's no monthly or annual account fee. You can add currency, 40 plus currency balances into your account, that's free. You can get bank details for more than 30 countries, that is also included. You can receive money if somebody's going to send you money into your account, and that is free. You can send money to another borderless account, that is free. Adding money into your borderless account says is free, but there are other fees that can be associated depending on if you use a credit card or a debit card. And right here it says check the latest fees. So if you want to see what it's going to cost to use a credit card or a debit card from TransferWise, go ahead and click in there. But we're going to continue on this article. So right here, they do charge a conversion fee. So if you are converting currency from one country's currency into another, there is a conversion fee. You can check that before you make the conversion, and they will notify you each time you make that transaction. But if you want to check the current fees, there is this button right here, sending or withdrawing money. As you've seen in the other video that I did, when you withdraw money from TransferWise, there is a small fee attached to it, and that I believe was around $1.40 in US to make a withdrawal. So not too bad, but again, that fee can change. So just be sure to come to this article and click on check the latest fees. All right, if you're going to pay with your TransferWise debit MasterCard, if you don't have that, be sure to go back and watch the other video that I did on how to order your TransferWise debit MasterCard. But if you will be paying in that currency and you have that currency available in your account, there's no fee for that. However, if you don't have that type of currency in your debit card at that moment, they will convert one of your other currencies into that, and they do charge a conversion fee, which was listed above. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this button, check the latest fees, and that way you can see how you can check to see the conversion fees through this screen. Okay, so here is the most recent list of fees, and as you can see, you can go ahead and put in an example amount when US dollars or whatever currency you're going to be sending, and then it's going to list any kind of fees that are associated with the transfer or with using your borderless account. So right here, they're disclosing that it used to be $4.50 to send 1,000 US dollars and send it to euros, but now it's $5.19. So anytime I've used this app, they always list what the fees are and how much it's going to cost you. If it's using a borderless account or if you're going to send money, the fee is different. So there is the new fee and the old fee. So it has increased as of June 2019. So there you have it. That is how you can check the fees in the FAQs. Let me go back to the home screen for TransferWise app. Okay, so here we are on the account home screen, and the next way that you can check to see what the fees are for your particular TransferWise account, click on send, and this is the page that pops up. So if you want to see any kind of fees that are associated with your account when making a transfer, it's pretty easy. Just put in the dollar amount that you're going to be sending, and next this is going to auto-populate showing what the fees are. So it looks like for this $103, it'll be a 21-cent direct deposit fee, $3.56 fee, and then also it's going to show the rate that that you will be converting your money at. So if we're going to be sending Brazilian money, 3.806. So that is going to include somewhat of a margin. If you want to check the prices for other websites or other providers, they do provide this button right here, price comparison, and we'll go ahead and click on that. All right, so as you can see right here, it gives you the different prices on the conversion rate. So TransferWise is pretty low when it goes to Brazil. Western Union looks like it has the best price, but that's pretty neat that they do make that available to you. So maybe you want to switch over to Western Union and send that money, or possibly it's just much more convenient to send through TransferWise and it's not worth it to switch around to different apps to send the money. That's up to you, but at least this way you can know exactly the price you're paying and then what the amount is that that person's going to receive. All right, so there you have it. That is how to find the different fees that are associated with TransferWise. Again, it can change from time to time, so be sure to go through these steps on your app to see what the most recent, most current fees are. Hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.